Okay, students, let us do question number 8 of exercise 8.1. In this, value of 3 cot A has been given, and we know that how to find the value of cot A from here. 3 cot A is equal to 4. It means that cot A is equal to 4 upon 3. After this, we have to check whether 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. It means that we have to find the values of tan A, cos A and sin A. Here note that tan square A means square of value of tan A. tan square A का मतलब होता है tan A की जो वैल्यू है उसका स्क्वायर. Both expressions are same. Now if we want to find value of tan A from cot A, we can easily find it. Tan A is reciprocal of cot A, so tan A is equal to 1 upon cot A. tan A की वैल्यू आ गई cot A का उल्टा 3 upon 4. tan A की वैल्यू आ गई cot A का उल्टा reciprocal, that is 3 upon 4. And the value of tan square A is equal to 3 upon 4 का square. 3 का square 9, 4 का square 16. And after that we can find the value of 1 minus tan square A and 1 plus tan square A. Before that, let us try to find the values of cos square A and sin square A. Now it has been given that cot A is equal to 4 by 3. That is, what is cot A? Which ratio cot A represent? Cot A is base upon perpendicular. Cot A is base upon perpendicular, which is equal to 4 upon 3. So let base is equal to 4k and perpendicular is equal to 3k. So hypotenuse is equal to p square plus b square. 9k square plus 16k square is equal to 25k square is equal to 5k. Hypotenuse, base, perpendicular. Now we can find the value of cos A. Cos A is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Base is 4k and hypotenuse 5k. K से k कट हो गया, 4 upon 5. And value of sin A is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is 3k upon 5k. K से k कट, 3 upon 5. Now in this way we have found the values of cos A, sin A and tan square A. Now let us try to find the value of left hand side. Left hand side is equal to 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. Tan square A की वैल्यू है 9 upon 16. 1 minus 9 upon 16 upon 1 plus 9 upon 16. ऊपर नीचे LCM आ गया 16. ये हो गया 16 minus 9. नीचे भी LCM आ गया 16. ये हो गया 16 plus 9. 16 से 16 कट हो गया. So 16 minus 9 is 7. And 16 plus 9 is 25. Now let us find the value of right hand side. Cos square A minus sin square A. Cos A की वैल्यू है 4 upon 5. Cos square A हो गया 4 upon 5 का स्क्वायर और sin A की वैल्यू है 3 upon 5. ये हो गया 3 upon 5 का स्क्वायर. 4 by 5 का स्क्वायर 16 upon 5, 25 minus 9 upon 25. 16 minus 9 is 7 upon 25. Now see, both values are equal, therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. In this way we have used the same method. We have found the values of all three sides of the triangle.